Bang, 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 bang.
Oh,
Dead, but
do you see an objective?
nah, it's in the middle.
Do you think it's safe?
Not yet. Not yet. You gotta get this building.
I have no weapons. I'm on your sex.
Oh shit. You gonna kill him with love?
I have nothing.
I think somebody's over this wall.
Right there.
He's dead. He's dead. That guy's dead. There's one guy standing up right here.
You want to try pushing?
I'm gonna get killed on this side.
You want me to go up and just be a dead man?
Let me see. Let's bait it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Let's bait this. Alright, let me go in there.
Okay. Oh, our respawn moved closer. Alright. Hey, spread the green container. In the doorway, green container. Take your shots, take your shots. Get down, get down. Oh, it's okay. He's got eyes on you, Caleb.
We're good to go, but...
Can I clear the corner?
Yeah, you could. I'm watching it. Hey, take my gun. You got a gun? You got a gun, dude? Take my gun. Take my gun.
Are there people in there?
This one, no. Not yet.
I don't want to get lit up. That is a bad place. I don't think there's anyone in there. You guys are good.
Go.
Back up. Yes, eyes on.
I'm watching this doorway, though. Watch that doorway. Watch that doorway straight. Put a gun in that doorway. Put a gun on that doorway.
He died.
Alright, boys, I'm gonna move up.
No.
Take a position real fast.
Yeah, let me go first. If he's gonna go first.
Okay. Wide open door. As soon as you cross this. Ready?
Hold up.
I'm gonna go straight this way.
Hold up. Let me check this corner first. Don't bone rush it. Hold up. Let me check it.
I'm gonna try to get ball.
It doesn't matter, dude.
I can take the ball, let you go down and throw it back to
He's dead in there. One's dead in there.
Everybody's dead in there.
Watch that hard right. Watch that left.
Did they just shoot you again? They're good.
Bang.
They just allow you.
You guys take a knee, buddy. Oh, you can walk out.
No, I'm just gonna walk out. There ain't nobody coming.
Yeah, do you think? that doorway in front of you. I'm watching that doorway. Is it dead?
Yeah. One of our guys is right. I shot the little kid right here, but
Me too.
I think he just there's a medic I think right next to him.
Watch this way for me. I got hit.